Hey everybody, Zori from OneSkills. In today's video, I'm going to introduce to you Shopify Sidekick. It's an AI virtual assistant to help you make your lives better in the back end. All you have to do is just talk to it like a normal human. You can talk to it in any sentence and any wording you want. Currently, it's available only in English and you have to use desktop, but I'm sure they're going to expand in the future. And it'll help you research, it'll help you rewrite your content, and it'll do some actions for you. In particular, it builds reports very, very well for you, and it can help you do things such as create coupons or edit your products. It's a really great add-on to Shopify. Let me show you a few examples so you can understand how it works. All you have to do is on the top right-hand side, look for the icon of Sidekick, open it, and you can start talking to it. Again, you can use normal English language. You can have short sentences or very long sentences, and it'll help you with many, many different things. So to give you a few examples, number one, let's say I want to search for the help documentation. I do not know how to edit a product or what the product image dimensions are or any other question. All I have to do is ask below. For example, what are the file types that I can upload for images? And I just ask it. It'll answer me, and then I can continue to talk to it about the same topic. It'll also provide you links to other documentation if needed. Let's do another chat right here. I can ask it other questions. The second example is, how do I upload a video to my product page? As you can see, it's searching for help.shopify.com, so you do not need to go through the help documentation and the information. It'll summarize it for you. If you're not sure, you can ask it more questions about this. Note, you can also ask it questions that are not in the documentation, and it can help you understand better. For example, let's say I have a file type that is not one of these that are supported. How do I convert my .avi to .move? You can ask it all kinds of questions, and it will try to help you with this. For example, it said maybe you can use Handbrake or Cloud Convert. Again, this AI has additional knowledge that's not just in the documentation of Shopify, and it can help you with many, many different things. Let's do a new chat, and I'll show you a third example. Let's say I want to create a report in Shopify. I don't want to use just the built-in reports right here. I want to create my own. This is a really strong feature that you have in Shopify. For example, show me the top 5 products that were sold in the last 18 months. What it will do is show you a summary right here. And now I can click on see more, and it'll help me build a report in my reports on the left-hand side. This is the code that helps you build the report using ShopifyQL. And if you don't know what it is, you can just proceed with it. If you want to change it by yourself, you can change it right here. For example, I asked it for the last 18 months. If I want to change it, I can say, you know what? The last 12 months. If I'm not sure what this means because I'm not a developer, I can ask Sidekick for more information. For example, what is group by? It can explain it to me, and then I can edit it myself. Is used to segment a metric by a dimension. What is a dimension? And again, you can talk to it and you can work with it just like a colleague that understands a lot of information. Okay, great. Now that it's running, I can click on run. And if I like this report, I can click on save. And now net items sold is in my reports. If I click here on reports, net items, now it is here. This is a really strong system that I can build many different reports on it. Another report I can do, for example, is build me a report in the last 6 months that shows sales based on customer tag equals wholesale. And I can do all kinds of different things. I can make more complex reports, for example. Let's show you another example. Create a test product called test 1. And it can do also shortcuts for you, not just build a report. It can also lead you to new build product. It already saved me a few seconds. Now I have a test product. I can click on save. I can edit the things I want, and now I have a test product. So as you can see, it can save you some time. The last example is it can rewrite things for me. So for example, if I'm in my product page and I have my description, I can ask it, please rewrite this in a funny way. And I paste the description I want to rewrite. It can actually do rewriting for you, correct grammar, rewrite things. And you see right here, now I have a better description. I can use it, I can save it, and I'm good to go. Machine learning and AI can do many, many things. It's very, very good right now at rewriting text and understanding information. The major things you can do as of right now, end of 2024, are search the help documentations, teach you things, and do quick actions, especially build reports, create products, coupons, and things like that. Sidekick has a good start, and you should be using it because it does save you a lot of time. One thing I've noticed so far, because it is a new product, there are some times that it cannot provide the answers that I'm looking for. What I found is sometimes if I rewrite my request, it'll actually solve it. If it doesn't work for you, I suggest for you to thumbs down so you can give feedback to Shopify so they can improve their product a lot. But most of the time it works very, very well, and it is just the beginning. It's a great sidekick. It's a great assistant you can use in normal English, and I suggest you guys use it. Let me know what you thought about this video. If it helped you in any way, please subscribe, please like, please share, and say hello. We're here to create a community to help you guys and to learn from you guys. Much, much appreciated. Thank you guys.